Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all will be in good health. I am your science teacher of grade 7. Students, open your book, page number 17. Today our topic is blood vessels. What do you mean by blood vessels? Actually, blood vessels are component of circulatory system that transport blood. Blood vessels are component of circulatory system that transport blood. Blood circulates in the body through a special network of vessels called arteries and veins. Now this blood circulates through special network. That network is known as, that vessels is known as arteries and veins. There are three main types of blood vessels. How many types of blood vessels? Three main types of blood vessels. First one is arteries, capillaries and veins. First one, arteries. Arteries are blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart to the body. Now this artery, it carry blood away from the heart to the body. Arteries are thick-walled but elastic tubes. The inner wall are smooth to help easy flow of blood. Now arteries are elastic tubes with a thick wall and the inner wall is smooth to easily flow the blood. They are strong and elastic because they receive blood from the heart at high pressure. Now these arteries are very strong and elastic. Why? Because it can receive blood from heart with a very high pressure. Capillaries. Capillaries are extremely small and narrow blood vessels that connect arteries and veins. These capillaries connect arteries and veins. They receive oxygenated blood from arteries. Now these capillaries take oxygenated blood from arteries. In capillaries, actually exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occur by the process of diffusion. Walls of capillaries are very thin. Now these capillaries can connect arteries and veins. It can also receive oxygenated blood from arteries. In capillaries, actually there is exchange of gases. And walls of capillaries are very thin. Next is veins. Veins are the blood vessels that carry blood to the heart. In arteries, carry blood away from the heart. Veins carry blood to the heart. Their walls are thinner and less elastic than arteries because they transport blood at low pressure. Now the walls of veins are thinner and less elastic. Why? Because arteries transport blood at high pressure and veins transport blood at low pressure. And arteries are thick because they can receive blood from the heart at very high temperature, high pressure. Here is also a diagram of artery and vein. Now it's from heart, it carry blood away from the heart, this artery, and vein carry blood to the heart, it carry blood to the heart, this vein. Here is also a small vein, here is a small artery. This capillaries join these two. It can connect artery and vein. It's enough for today. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.